the maiden voyage.
Your co-pilot doesn't seem to have that smile.
Yes.
Still shaking her head.
She been up most of the night with me. All right.
Drive safe.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let us know how it goes.
I will. I'll stay in touch. Woo woo. Here we go, folks. Lemonade. Said we got low coolant light, but coolant levels a little bit on the high side. Bottle's cracking, the lid is split. Somebody busted the thing off of the ECU box to hold this thing on there. And this thing used to have a cargo cover. It's missing. Now this car was picked up from Europe by the owner, so it wasn't one that was destined for the US. It was one special ordered and picked up in the US. So this is what we got, people. Yeah, boy. Where's Robert, yo? Alright, I'm riding along here. It says it's getting 19.3 miles to the gallon, but the average speed is 20, and that's with at least 620 miles. So I'm gonna reset this stuff and see what kind of gas mileage I get off of my driving characteristics. Hold in the reset button on the knob. So, alright. We're gonna see if I get better mileage. I'm about to replace the spark plug wires. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.